What you want to include in your highlight film for hockey is tons of games. I mean, it's very similar to a lot of other sports, but you want to submit your best games. Let's say you have 12 games in the season. Really narrow that down to your top 6. You want to be able to have, depending on your position, a wide range of not just you scoring goals or not just you, getting saves as a goalkeeper. Coaches want to be able to see the transition of offense, defense. That's a huge thing that in hockey you can play forward, but you still have to play defense. So that's one big thing that college coaches are looking for is, yeah, it's great that you go out and score 5 goals in a game, but are you able to get back on defense and help out your team? So those are the big things that I think that you need to think about with submitting hockey video is don't just always think about the highlights, think about the whole game.